Welcome to the channel, thank you for checking out this video. In today's video we're going to be looking at the wireless microphone setup from DJi. As someone that uses the Rode wireless microphone setup, I'm going to give you my honest view on this microphone setup, see if it's worth your hard-earned cash or if it's worth avoiding. Let's start straight away with unboxing it. So in the box we get a box full of cables and a case which holds the transmitter and receivers. And this is a charging case, so it's got a battery inside it to charge your microphones. In the other box we get a nice little case with all the cables and wind muffs etc. for the microphones. You also get instructions, but being a man I don't need them and throw them straight away. I'm going to try and work out how to operate this without reading instructions. And it's a touchscreen operation. And because I didn't read the instructions, I don't know how this all goes together. First thing we do is try and put this clip on, and because I didn't read the instructions, I can't work out how to do it, so we'll come back to that later. And in the box we get a USB-C connector and a lightning connector, and these are the microphones. Let's take them out and have a good test of them and see how they sound. So we've come out with the DJi wireless microphone attached to the camera. I'm recording the camera. And the great thing about this first setup test is everything is intuitive. Like if you've ever owned a DJI product before, you just plug it on and within minutes you're using it. It's very intuitive how to set it up. There's no complication. You just turn one of them on, it pairs automatically and away you go. Now, what I will notice straight off the bat is that the receiver, this is the transmitter, this is the receiver. The receiver is a little bit loose in the cold shoe on top of the camera. With the Rode Wireless Go, it's very tight when you slide it into the cold shoe mount. With this one, it feels like, well, as you can see there, hopefully it's picking it up on the Action 3. That it's not tight at all. It doesn't feel there's any resistance with the cold shoe. But this is the sound quality you can expect from the DJI wireless microphone setup. Now what we're going to do is swap over to the Rode and see how that sounds. So this is with the Rode Wireless Go setup now. Let me know in the comments which one sounds better. Now like I said, the transmitter, which is this part here on the DJI is fine, but the receiver was a little bit loose in the cold shoe. With the Rode it's a lot more tighter and it doesn't feel like it's going to come out. I also prefer the cable that comes with the Rode. You get this coiled cable. With the DJI it's just a straight cable, which is a little bit disappointing. But yeah, this is the comparison between the two. Let me know which ones you prefer. Let's swap back over to the DJI. So what we've done is swap back over to the DJI wireless microphone setup now. And if I show you the receiver on top of the camera, you can see this is a lot looser and comes off very easy from the cold shoe mount. I've swapped over the cable as well with the Rode Wireless Go one because the DJI one couldn't fit from the left hand side to the right hand side of the camera. So that's something that is a little bit disappointing, but let me know on the sound quality which one you prefer, the wireless Rode Go or the DJI. Both of them are very simple to use and set up, equally as good quality wise they feel. I do prefer the screen though on the DJI, which is touchscreen on the receiver and it's forward facing so you can monitor your levels and everything in your settings. With the Rode Wireless Go you have to be from the top, which is annoying if you've got a camera at eye level. You cannot see the top of the receiver, which is a pain in the backside. But let me know your thoughts about the sound quality in the comments below and let me know which one you prefer. Anyway, let's go back to the review and see how they stack up. So that was an audio test of both the DJI microphone and the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. In my opinion, they're both very similar, both produce excellent sound quality. Maybe the DJI was just a little bit clearer. Now another super cool feature on the DJI wireless microphone is the clip system on the back. You see, with the Rode Wireless Go setup, you're limited to the clip where it can be hung off your clothing. What you have to do is open the clip and then find a bit somewhere on your clothing like such and clip it over. Now what sometimes happens is the microphone flips upside down, especially if you're wearing loose clothing. The microphone will flip upside down and then it's not recording adequately to capture your voice. But what you can do with a DJI wireless microphone, which I found out, and this is so super cool, is this. And hopefully you can see that there. Basically it comes with a magnet on the back of the clip that you can remove. Hopefully you can see that there. basically you can either have the microphone inside your t-shirt or clothing and the magnet on the outside, so you can put the microphone anywhere on your clothing, which is a real bonus. The other thing you can do with the magnet is remove it from the back and clip it onto the bottom of the microphone, and then the microphone stands up. Say you're doing an interview over a table or something. Very, very clever from DJi there. So what is my conclusion then to the DJi wireless microphone setup? Well, coming in at £289 for the double microphone and receiver setup, they're very, very expensive, but they are an investment. The sound quality you get from them is amazing. Now, is it worth upgrading if you already own the Rode Wireless 2 or Rode Wireless 1 microphones? Probably not, but DJi have been super clever. What they've done, they've taken a look at the Rode Wireless microphone and said, how can we improve it? With the touchscreen, with the magnetic clip, with the charging case, etc. They really have gone to town to make this the best wireless microphone setup out there. Now, if you already own the Rode Wireless microphone, it's not worth upgrading. The sound quality is very similar. But if you're in the market for a new wireless microphone, then the DJi comes out on top over the Rode Wireless Go, and this gets my recommendation. Now, I would just like to say before the end of the video that both the Rode and DJi microphones were both purchased with my own money. This video isn't sponsored by either of them companies. It's only through the help of your support that I'm able to buy these products and give them a proper review. So if you really like this video and you've got something from it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Now, I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2023, so if you want to help me out, please subscribe to the channel. But that's it for this video. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch up soon.